Gamers understand that the perfect computer or console is just the start of a gaming setup. Your space needs the right vibe to take on your latest campaign or conquest with comfort and style, especially if you're streaming. Here's a few tips for the perfect unique setup. If you're putting together a brand new space, measure the room to be sure your desk, screens, and gaming system or PC fit comfortably. And if your setup is already just how you like it, personalizing your space is the perfect way to show off your style and fandom. Start with any major updates like paint, sound panels, or new fixtures to set the tone for your space. If choosing a new room color, cool and dark tones tend to provide the best gaming environment for screen clarity, a calm vibe, and better contrast for LED lights. Next, you'll need to decide on the perfect desk, the centerpiece of your gaming setup. Look for something that's spacious enough for your gear, extra sturdy, and that offers the functionality you need. You're going to need a comfortable chair for those long campaigns. An ergonomic chair that encourages good posture and supports your hips and back is a worthwhile investment for any gamer. Look for one with adjustable height and armrests so you can find the perfect position at your desk. It's time to start setting up for gameplay. Place your monitors at eye level to avoid unnecessary neck and eye strain, and arrange your controls in a comfortable, easy-to-access position. A few properly placed speakers create a truly immersive experience that puts you in the middle of the action. Quality headphones are also a great option for those who prefer a more focused gaming experience or need to keep noise under control. A thoughtful gaming space feels more complete and inviting when your gear is nicely organized. Get creative with floating shelves for the stuff you want to show off, and use storage containers and cabinets for organizing accessories and cables. Choosing smart lights for your gaming space gives you the ability to adjust the color and brightness of your room on demand to set the vibe. LED strip lights are easy to install and hide behind desks and decor for ambient lighting that effortlessly adapts to your mood. Wall art and collectible items are what make each gaming space truly unique. Give your favorite items their own shelves, and be sure to frame posters for a more complete look. For a touch of nature and improved air quality, consider some low-maintenance houseplants. Choose plants that do well with low light and infrequent watering, so your thumbs can focus on gaming instead of greenery. Last and definitely not least, you're going to need some snacks. A mini fridge is a classic gamer must-have for caffeinated beverages to power through late-night sessions. There's truly no wrong way to set up your gaming space, and the options are nearly endless. Get creative and build a space that's uniquely yours by investing in essentials like a quality chair and desk, and adding innovative features like smart lights. You can create a space that brings together form and function for an ideal gaming experience. Find it all at the Home Depot and get your game on.